to the flyers. This ritual was originated in the Gulf of Mexico area. What we know today as the state of Veracruz. The culture that developed this ritual is known as Totonacu or Totonaca. The Totonacu people were mainly farmers, but they were also excellent mathematicians and astronomers. They developed their own calendar, which was based in 13 months of 28 days. That calendar is, until today, more accurate than the one we use now. The reason for this ritual was mainly to please their gods and invoke fertility upon the community so they would have good rain and corn crops.
75 peep. Napakalupit.
Each one of them points to a cardinal point while they perform the dance. Once they descend, they make 52 laps. Each flyer makes 13 laps. In total, it sums up the 52 weeks of the solar cycle. They are, besides flyers, craftsmen. They handcraft replicas of the original ritual. Is a small toy that you can take with you as a unique and special souvenir. I would like to remind you that the main income of the Papantla Flyers is based on their tips and donations. This is the way they help their communities and support their families. So any donation will be well received and appreciated.
Ayan, nagtatali na.
Nagtatali na ako. Madugong labanan to.
Isang laglag yan, talagang wakas ka.
Pangwasak eh.
I'm sorry.
Pangwasak. Sa gilid nito. Yun. Bibigti ba? Hindi, nakit na yung tali.
Sa paa, pabaligtad niya, pati warik.
Nakakita ka na ba nito?
Oo, ilang beses na yan eh.
Bibigti yung
Kaya daw ano yan eh, palit ng tao.
ha? Araw-araw hiring.
Araw-araw hiring.
Hiring na uli.
Ablay si Willie.
Ganyan lang trabaho ko, maglilinya na lang ako sana eh. Meral ko. Mas mababa pa yung puste ng meral ko ka. Tapos sobra pala sa tali ano. Tapos sa sahig.
Wala, sanay na yung mga yan eh.
Bigat niya no? Taklat na, napaali yung tupo. Bagsak lahat. Hiring 4. Pang-5 si Willie. Wala doon natin. Ayun na. Katagat hiring na.
Yan na guys. Kita nyo naman oh. Iikot-ikot yan dyan hanggang 6:30.
Ha?
$75 feet. 75 feet. Kita ba?
Wala yung ikot lang nila no? Mababa sila ng mababa.
No worry guys.
Maganda. Bumagsak na isa dyan para
Hanggang maubos yung tali eh, no?
may highlights mo. Habang umiikot. Pangit walang highlights eh.
Karumal-dumal yung highlights mo.
Highlights mo isa, bagsak. Tatlong buhay.
Ayan o, highlights oh.
Talon! Ayun, tingnan yung pangit-tali sa rin. Tropa, talon, tropa! Tingin mo, I don't care. Wala yung tali lang. Kapal.
In this moment, the leader or caporal asks permission to the gods to start their flight. This moment is similar to what we call praying. So let's give them a couple of minutes of silence. Please.
Tawa-tawa lang yung kolektor oh.
Ganit naman kayo. Siyempre.
Puro kayo video.
Bigyan mo na yan, pre. Libre pa kayo dyan, boss. Pwede breadwheel dyan, pre, no? Babagsak ko talagang breadwheel dyan. Saan na kayo na mag-withdraw? Hindi naman natin mag-withdraw nyo.
Pagbalik on board na wala.
Yun, sama picture. Pre, lumabas pa eh. Lumabas yung ano. Ito eh. Pipilitan tayong gumunot ng ano nito. Papaalam na yan sa isa't isa oh. Pre, dito na lang ako pre. Takits na lang.
Tumatawa pa sila sa taas eh.
Wala.
Ayan na.
Hiring daw to, 4. Ang show bukas.
Apat. Yan guys oh. Napakalapit. Tali lang yan.
Let's give them a big round of applause to support and motivate the flyers. Originally, the flyers' outfit were costumes elaborated with bird feathers. Due to the conquest, the attire has been changing because of the Spanish influence. The white outfit is a combination of the colors represented in nature. The sunlight rays, the meadow flowers, the rainbow, the moon. UNESCO declared the ritual ceremony of the Papandla Flyers as a tangible cultural heritage of humanity. I would like to remind you that the main income of the Papandla Flyers is based on their tips donations.
May malaking porsyento dyan yung tumutugtog. Ay, kapababot ka ng inyo.
Yan, babaliktad na yung mga yan. Lumapag na isa. Yeah, well done guys.